Oh, I saw your question on the email. X varies directly as y, and z and inversely as the square of r. So that gives me the equation here. X varies directly with y and z and inversely with the square of r. So that gives the equation. And they give all the values here except for k. And so I put those in. X is 16, y is 4, c is 8, and r is 4. And so 4 times 8 is 32. Right here's where you messed up. 4 squared. 4 squared 16. You multiplied instead of squaring. You got 8. And 16 will go in 32 2 times. Divide both sides by 2, and I get a nice 8 here. Over here, then we want to find x when y is 7, z 70, and r is 14. So I put the 8 in for the k, and I put in these values given here. Y is 7, z 70, and r is 14. Multiply the numerator, I get 3,920. Square denominator, I get 196. And when we divide, I get a nice pretty answer of 20. Hope this helps.